In this video, I'm going to show you the exact point where most new high-ticket affiliate marketing businesses start to fall apart, where they start to fail. And what's going to be surprising is it's actually a lot earlier than most new affiliates realize. So my name is Brewer. I'm a 7-figure digital marketer and a multi-award winner in the affiliate marketing space. And I'm doing something really cool here. I'm actually running a live real-time case study right here on YouTube where I show you how to start from scratch, from zero, and build out a high-ticket affiliate marketing campaign. And we're going to take that to $2,500 in commissions earned as quickly as possible. Now, the reason this is so cool is because for this case study, I'm not using my existing list, following authority, and I'm not showing any commissions that I've earned in the past. So everything I'm doing, a complete beginner can do as well. So this is actually video 3 of the case study. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my content plan, what I've done for the first, let's say 18 hours of this brand new social media account. And I'm going to show you exactly why this is where most affiliate marketing businesses fail. But first, if you haven't watched video 1 and video 2, where I show you the product I'm promoting, the funnel I'm using, the follow-up I'm using, and how you can copy my website and email sequence, and video 2, where I lay out my exact content strategy that's going to give me free traffic and leads for this high-ticket affiliate marketing case study, then make sure you go ahead and find videos 1 and 2 that are linked below this video, either on buttons or in the comments or in the video description. So in order to actually see what I've done with my first few videos on Instagram, which, oh, by the way, is the platform that I'm using to drive free traffic and leads to my funnel for this case study, I'm going to hit record on this screen so I can share this right now in real time with you. I'm just going to move over so I can pop that right there. Perfect. So what you're going to see is my brand new Instagram account that I created for this case study. Now, obviously, I have a link to my funnel in the bio. What I did yesterday is actually created my first 5 Instagram Reels. Now, Reels is a huge portion of the traffic strategy here because Reels is where we get reach as a brand new account. So as you can see here, I uploaded 5 videos over the past 18 hours or so. The first one got 225 views. The next one got 167 views. Video number 3 got 162. And the most recent 2 videos, which I just uploaded not long ago, I've gotten 14 views and 10 views. So how do we take this? Well, on the surface, that looks pretty good. Here's a brand new account that was created within the last day or so, last 2 days or so maybe. And I've already gotten, what is that? 225 plus 167, 380, 480, 540. I've got about 550 plus views already. So that's a lot of people. That's a lot of eyeballs. That's why affiliate marketing, especially high-ticket affiliate marketing, is such a great opportunity right now because it's never been easier to get reach as a new account. If you watch video 2 and I laid out my content plan, you also will see that I created my first story, which is going to help us create omnipresence and build relationships at scale with the people who watch our content on Instagram. You can see my first story was actually a series of stories that I put as a highlighted stories. I cover that in video 2, but the reason I did that is so when people come over to my profile from a reel, they get a chance to get to know me. But also, hopefully, they'll scroll through this story that's highlighted. That'll keep people on my Instagram homepage longer. And that's going to be an engagement signal for Instagram to say, hey, this account's pretty cool. Let's push the reels out to more people. So this account will grow. So if I just click through this really quickly, you can see this highlighted story just starts off with me. It tells an interesting fact about how I got married in Las Vegas. Then I talked about how we had a baby 11 months later. Showed a picture of me with my newborn daughter. She's not a newborn anymore, but that kind of establishes who I am. The next reel actually talks about how I was stuck in the restaurant business, and since my wife was being a stay-at-home mom, money was tight, right? There's my struggle. Fast forward there, I show myself working on my ugly green couch that we had at the time on my $249 laptop, and I start talking about the opportunity that I discovered to make money online. I then talk about the 15-day online business builder challenge that helped me accelerate my growth, which is important because that's actually the front door of the product that I'm promoting, which I once again cover in video 1 of the case study. And then the last slide here is just me talking about high ticket affiliate marketing was the answer I was looking for. It was the best business. And then of course, I allow people the opportunity to click the link to go watch a free video to learn more, which takes people over to my funnel where I then capture their email address and then it forwards them over to a bridge page, which has my affiliate link and another video that I created, which I also covered in previous case study videos. So that was, let me just go ahead and tuck the camera back over there so I'm centered. Excuse me. So that was day 1. So let's talk about results, right? That's the exact content plan that I laid out in video 2 of this case study. Let's talk about results. 540 views. That's pretty amazing, right? Brand new account, 540 eyeballs or so. I mean, I couldn't be happier with that. Let's talk about results though, right? How much money have I made so far? Well, I haven't made any money yet. As a matter of fact, I just looked into my autoresponder dashboard. I haven't even generated a lead yet. And that is why this is the exact point where affiliate marketing businesses start to fail. Let me explain. So up until this point, I mean, technically, you've already done all the work that you need to do to make money, right? You selected a product to promote, which I cover in video 1. You've started to learn the product, right? So you can become a good marketer for that product. Even if you haven't gone through the whole product that you're promoting yet, you've started to learn the language and started to understand things about that product. So that took time. After that, you probably created your funnel, right? Because I told you that you have to build affiliate marketing campaigns in reverse if you want to increase your odds of success. So then you built your funnel, which is your website and your autoresponder. Now, I showed you how you can actually just copy and paste mine if you want to, but regardless, whether you copy and pasted mine or you built yours yourself, right? That probably took time. So that was work that you did. Now, the good news is once that was all set up, you had your product in place and you had your funnel built with your automated email follow-up sequence, right? That part's done. So you don't have to worry about that again. So you can then move over to just creating content, which takes 15 minutes a day or so. But what happens here is when you create your first 5 videos, which will undoubtedly be the most stressful 5 videos that you ever create, right? You may have had to reshoot them. You may have had to do multiple takes. It may have taken you forever to figure out what to say. You may have gotten nervous when you hit record and screwed up the first 20, right? So that probably took a lot of time to get your first 5 videos up. Well, that's a lot of work. All that is a lot of work. That is draining. And what happens here is you're expecting to see results. But I just told you, full transparency, I haven't even generated a lead yet. But that's okay, because I'm going to keep going and I will start generating leads. But this is why most people fail at this point, even if they continue to create content. Here's what happens, right? Most people are not going to choose a product, purchase the product, build their funnel, build the email sequence, create 5 videos, and then give up. Some people do. A lot of people do, actually. But what happens here is you're going to have a natural feeling of disappointment, right? Because you did everything that you have to do to make money, with the exception of continuing to do this again and again and again, and you didn't get any results. So what happens? You start to get dejected. You start to lose belief for the first time in this whole sequence about the validity of affiliate marketing, even though you know deep down it works, right? It's obvious it works. There's all kinds of people making money with high-ticket affiliate marketing. I started this case study because I'm 100% confident that this will make the $2,500 that I promised. But if you've never seen the results yet, you start to feel disappointed. And then what happens? Well, hopefully you continue to create content, but if you're being 100% honest with yourself, you've started to lose the belief, so your content is going to lack some of the excitement and charisma that you had in the beginning. And guess what? That shows through in your content. If you start to think, well, maybe this isn't going to work for me just like everything else, then that's going to come through in your content, When you're creating your content, you're just going to go through the motions. You're not going to share any enthusiasm, which is important because you need to transfer enthusiasm to the people who are watching you, right? That's what you're giving them. If you can't be excited about the opportunity, how do you expect your viewers to get excited about the opportunity? And making money is all about getting people excited about an opportunity, right? So because you're not excited anymore, your content starts to go down. And what happens? Then you get worse results because you're not creating content with the same enthusiasm. And then you're just be like, well, screw this. I give up. It's only getting worse. So what you have to do instead is you have to forget about the monetary results. Focus on what good has happened. I could create a reel right now, which I'm probably going to do, and say, hey, day 2 of my Instagram account, and I already got 540 views. That is why affiliate marketing is such a great opportunity right now. And I'm going to give that reel with the same enthusiasm. And I'm going to tell people if they want to learn more about how to monetize Instagram and this crazy reach, go ahead and click the link in the bio, right? And I'm going to bring it. I'm going to get excited, genuinely excited about how many views I've gotten so far. Also, I'm going to get genuinely excited again about the opportunity. I might show, I screwed that one up. I might show social proof from other people who've gone through the same affiliate program that I'm promoting and are making $50,000. Right? I'm going to get excited about their results because I know it's only a matter of time before I get those results as well, right? So that's the beauty of affiliate marketing. I'm telling you to start with something in my case study here. Well, other people who have started with the exact same thing are making $50,000 a month. Share their story. They're not going to care. They want the added reach. Tag them, for instance, in your story, and they're going to be like, oh, cool. That's more reach for them, right? What else are we going to get excited about? Well, we're going to get excited about what we've done. Don't forget, if you've found your program, if you've gone through the training, if you've built your funnel, if you've built your automated email sequence, get really excited about that because you have to remember what you've already done. Right? You have gone further once that's launched than 99% of the people. So not only can you brag about that a little bit, and then of course, show people how really it wasn't that hard, right? Then that's going to get people excited. Also, that means you have more authority than 99% of the people out there because you got your funnel launched. So that's what I'm going to focus on in some of my future reels. I'm going to get excited about this. Guys, I got my funnel launched. It only took me 40 minutes. Now, it might take you longer. Maybe it took you an hour. So what? Get excited about that. I thought it was going to take me weeks to launch a business. I got my whole automated business up and running in 1 day or 2 days or whatever it is for you. But just get excited for that because that is going to transfer through. And that's what's going to attract people who say, I like this person. I want to follow and learn more. And what they're going to do is they're going to sit on the sidelines and they're going to watch you. And they're going to watch you. And then when they've seen 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 reels, that's when they're going to be like, I got to go check out the link. I got to go check out the bio. That's when they're going to watch your story that's highlighted. That's when they're going to click on your link, opt in, and hopefully buy something. That's when the algorithms are going to trigger and you're going to start getting more reach. Right? That is the secret here. So you have to bring the enthusiasm. That's really your only job, to teach people and show them this opportunity, but get excited and stay excited. And if you can't do that, once again, how do you expect other people to get excited about the opportunity if you're already like, this is never going to work, right? You can't go through the motions. Hey, affiliate marketing is great. Click the link in my bio if you want to learn more about doing it, right? That doesn't get anybody excited. Why? What have you done that has proven it's a good opportunity? And finally, just to talk about my content plan going forward, I'm obviously going to come back in video number 4 here, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. That way you see that once I start getting some results, once I start getting some leads, I'm going to show you exactly what's working and exactly what I'm doing to make it work. But my content plan is pretty simple. I'm going to create reels. I'm going to use the hook story offer formula that I covered in one of the previous videos of this case study. I might do some more clickbaity videos to get some initial reach, right? I don't want a full Instagram channel, all of clickbait, because that's not going to build any authority or trust, but I might throw 1 or 2 out there just to kind of maybe seed the algorithms. I'm going to actually give an opportunity for people to DM me, right? Because I've got 540 views already. Some of those people are going to continue to watch my Instagrams, my reels or my stories that I'm posting. And so I'm going to say at some point, hey, DM me if you have any questions. And when they do, I'm going to respond to them. And guess what? Those are going to be my hottest leads. And those people are definitely going to go click, and they're probably going to buy something as well because they've been sitting in the sidelines. And then, of course, I'm going to continue to create stories that share my wins. That way, once a day, I'm popping up in my most engaged followers' feeds, and they're like, oh, he built his funnel. Oh, he got 540 views. Oh, he got his first lead. Oh, he made his first commission. And then they can follow that journey. I'm going to become like a little soap opera or a Netflix mini series. And then once the results start coming in, and that's going to only amplify my success. That's why success goes exponential when we're talking about high ticket affiliate marketing. That's why it is possible to go from $0 to $40,000 a month in 6 or 9 months. Now, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen to you, but that's why it's possible. It's because the first few commissions, they might take a little while. They might take a little work. You might have to force yourself to get excited when you're not getting results, even though we got 540 views. But if you can do that, once they start coming in, then it gets easy. You obviously continue to use the hook story offer formula, but you can also leverage those results, and then all the people on the fence start flooding in because you just showed them how you went from 0 to whatever you're making in real time by running your own case study on Instagram. Really cool stuff here. Once again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so because I'm going to continue this case study. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And if you haven't watched video 1 or 2 yet, you can find those in the description below or right below this video if you're watching this YouTube video embedded on one of my website pages. And if you haven't started, get started. Because what's going to happen here for a lot of people is they're going to watch this whole case study. It's going to take 3 weeks to go through or whatever, however long it takes me to hit my $2,500 goal. And then you're going to wait to see it, and then you'll be like, let's get started. But now you're going to be 3 weeks behind. Now you won't have me producing real-time results to help keep you excited and motivated and on task, and you're going to miss out on a hot opportunity. So make sure you join the program. It's like $7. Invest in the Online Business Builder Challenge so you can learn the language, right? And you can actually go through the program so you can become an approved affiliate. And if you want to clone my funnel, you can find all that information down below this video linked. Let me know what you think about this case study. Let me know what you think about these real-time results. And let me know if you start to understand that the reason businesses are failing is because you lose belief. And what happens here is if you want people to buy something from you or if you want them to take action on what you're telling them to do, they have to believe in themselves a little bit. That's why we show how affiliate marketing can be so easy or relatively easy compared to other businesses. But they have to also believe, this is big, they have to believe that you believe. If you don't believe, they won't believe, right? That's why you have to get excited about something other than the monetary results that, of course, aren't going to come in the first 24 hours, most likely. I guess they can. But we'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and reach out. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. We'll see you soon. Bye now.